Momo, look!
Huh? Huh? Wow! What a special stone! Why is it shaped this way?
Let's go inside this rock to find out!
How spectacular! Wow! Huh? It's freezing inside!
Run!
Ah!
Let's answer this question and keep going!
I know! There are 4 types!
Discover more with us on this journey!
Yay!
Hi rock stars! Get ready for an awesome adventure. Today we will dive deep but not into the ocean but into the earth itself. Wonder what is this?
Yes, it's rock.
It's not just a rock I found in a hike. It's a part of a wild story that billion years in the making. We are breaking down the basic of rocks, minerals, and rock cycle. Okay, quick question. Are rocks and mineral the same thing?
Yes.
No, they are not the same thing. A mineral is a pure naturally occurring substance like quartz, mica, and calcite. Think of it like a single Lego block. What about the rock? Rock is made up of one or more minerals stuck together. Alright, a quick showdown. Rocks versus minerals. And here's the cool part. Igneous rock can turn into sedimentary and sedimentary can turn into metamorphic. And why we need to study rocks and minerals?
Why?
Studying rocks and minerals is crucial for our understanding Earth's history, processes, and resources potential. It helps us predict natural disasters, develop new technologies, and manage resources responsibly.
Some example of the minerals is quartz and pyrites. Quartz is a mineral composed of silicon and oxygen atoms. Quartz sand is the primary ingredient of manufacturing of glass. Quartz can found worldwide in a wide variety of igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. The quality and size of quartz crystal vary greatly and depending on the geologic environment in which they form.
The another example of mineral is pyrite. Pyrite is a common known as a fool's gold due to brazy yellow color and resemblance as gold. Pyrite is an iron sulfide mineral. It is the most abundant mineral in this world. It's not actually gold, but it can be easily to mistaken for it. The use of the pyrite is to the foundation of the sulfuric acid and the other chemicals. The next one of example of minerals is silica or silicon dioxide. It's a compound of silicon and oxygen found in Iron Mountain hot spring. It's one of the most common elements on Earth. It composes more than half of the Earth's crust. It composes more than half of the crust, most commonly in quartz and sand. It's used in the building and road construction, grinding and polishing processes, foundry modes, food additives, toothpaste, and etc. That is the use of the silica.
The rock cycle is an ongoing process that shapes the Earth's geology over millions of years. It's driven by the geological forces such as plate tectonics, weathering, and erosion. There are three types of rock cycle. We have igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Igneous rocks is formed from the cooling and solidification of magma, or what we call molten rocks, from the volcanic activity or the Earth's interior. Sedimentary rocks form from the accumulation and compression of sediments such as mineral particles or organic matter, which are commented together. Metamorphic rock form when existing rocks are subjected to high temperatures and pressures causing changes in their mineral composition and structures.
How can we know if the rock is example of igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic rock?
How?
You can identify the rock through their texture, color, and composition. And the texture of igneous rock it's depend on crystal size, which is influenced by cooling rate. And the sedimentary rock are formed from accumulation and compaction of sediment over time. And as you can see, this is an example of sedimentary rock. Why? It's because of compaction of the shell and sa pagtagal ng panahon is deform as a big rock. And the metamorphic rock originate from pre-existing rock called parent rock that undergo changes due to heat, pressure, and chemical active fluids. And as you can see, this is an example of metamorphic rock. Dahil sa init ng panahon is nagbabago yung itsura niya. Use of minerals and rocks. Rock and minerals are the basic materials for building homes, roads, and sites. Ang mga bato ay ginagamit natin sa ating daily life. For example na lang sa bahay na to. So hindi mabubuo ang bahay na to kung hindi siya ginagamitan ng mga bato. Pangalawang halimbawa, ang kalsada. So ginagamitan siya ng bato para mas lalong tumibay. Some minerals are used to make beautiful and valuable jewelry. Kagaya na lang ng gold, silver, rubies, at diamond. Rocks and minerals are not just part of the earth. They are part of our home, our gadget, and even what we wear. They help build, power, and decorate the modern world.
Mining can harm the environment in several ways. It can lead deforestation, soil erosion, and water pollution. Extracting and processing minerals often use large amounts of energy. It can release harmful and gases into the air. To reduce this impact, we can focus on sustainable practices. This includes recycling minerals, using them more efficiently, and finding ways to mine with less damage to nature. Protecting the environment while meeting our needs is key to a balanced and responsible end to resources.
Hello, rock stars! We are back again, and I hope you learned something from identifying what is rock, minerals, and rock cycle, from cause and pros of mining in our environment, and those three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, and also the importance of studying Earth's geology for our technology, Earth's nature, and it is vital for our infrastructure and sustainability of our future generations. And with that, we want to say
Thank you for watching!
It's trivia time!
What name is given to molten rock thrown out by a volcano? A. Lava, B. Magma, C. Sedimentary, and letter D. Metamorphic. Okay, so the correct answer is lava. The solidified lava of a volcano belongs to which rock family? A. Igneous, B. Metamorphic, C. Sedimentary, and D. Fossilized. Okay, the correct answer is igneous. Which type of rock is formed from solidified lava or magma? A. Sedimentary rock, B. Metamorphic rock, C. Igneous rock, or letter D. Fossils rock. Okay, so the correct answer is igneous rock. What type of rock can contain fossils? Letter A, igneous. Letter B, sedimentary. Letter C, metamorphic. Or letter D, granite. Okay, so the correct answer is sedimentary. Which type of rock is formed under high pressure and temperature? Letter A, sedimentary. Letter B, igneous. Letter C, metamorphic. And letter D, volcanic. The correct answer is metamorphic.
Go. Go.
Ay, ulit.
Go.
Lost the... It helps us, ayun.
Ayun. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go.
It helps us... Ala, ano?
It help us predict
Sige.
natural disaster.
Naluwa sa rock cycle ba to? Bali, paano?
Sige, sige.
Ibang
2, 3, go.
Use of mineral. Dapat mas magawa na eh. Dapat mas
you can identify the rock and the bra bra bra.
Action, go.
Quartz is a composed of ingredients of silicon and
Quartz is a mineral composed of
quartz, a mineral.
action, go.
Yang tuloy ka ni.